come in a post office?
Yes.
It is post office. Office of communication. Office of communication. Post office. There is letter box. Yeah. When you communicate to each other, we have to write letters. And letter is getting into that box. That is letter box, red color. Where do you come from, my boys? Please tell the name of your school. Thank you very much.
Same, how letters is school.
What class do you read in?
Nursery.
Thank you very much. How do you come here? On foot or by bus?
By bus, no?
School bus.
Same. By bus, by school bus. Yes.
What color is your school bus?
Yeah.
Thank you.